Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today I'm going to show you a crochet bedsheet. This is a very beautiful bedsheet and I love it. This bedsheet made by Molla Tamanna sister. She did very good job and I love her work. You can see this bedsheet is so pretty, so beautiful. So if you want to order this bedsheet, you can talk with her. She will make it for you. I use this project Malay Cordian. Malay Cordian is really strong. That's why I like it. So many flowers. So this bedsheet changed my room decoration. It's really pretty and my husband love it. I have a Etsy shop. My Etsy shop name is also Mom and Dad Crochet. My shop link will be in my description box below. If you want to buy anything, you can go to my shop and order, and I'll ship within 2 days in USA. There are 2 pillow cover included with this bedsheet. This bedsheet is for my personal use, not for sale. I gift this bedsheet to my husband and my husband is so happy. He like it. My husband like crochet item. So I have a lot of crochet item in my home decoration. So I like this bedsheet so much, that's why I show you guys. So thanks for watching.